that we have the intercom cables directly straight out PAVX box. So this is what helps the intercom so you can be able to like call the reception without making use of any SIM card or anything. This is the reception. In here we have the speaker, as you can see. We have our smoke detector and we have our elevator, which has been fully programmed and powered. But we're waiting for the hotel to probably be in order before we can commission the elevator.